I'm out on location at Royal's Bird's Nest here in Singapore, and I'm going to be tasting the top 5 different types of bird's nest. The first bird's nest I will be trying is the one with rock sugar. The white part is called a ginkgo nut. Let's give it a try. It's good, it's sweet. It's a little bit mushy, kind of like a bean inside. It has a bit of a sour aftertaste, but overall it's pretty good. Now I'm going to be tasting the bird's nest. It's really good, it's sweet. It has a gelatinous part in it, which is the bird's nest part. It tastes almost like a jello or gelatin cubes inside. The sugar is nice, it gives a sweet finish with it.
Bird's nest, they are usually from Indonesia.
Yeah.
So they're from the caves, from the mountains, so we pick them, harvest it raw, and we clean it up. It's all wild, so we harvest it from the wild. We cannot really cultivate the birds. Bird's nest, they're actually only one type.
Yeah.
So there's only one species of swallows that make this kind of edible bird's nest. So it's actually the bird's saliva. They make their own nest with their own saliva.
Yeah.
With their own feathers, their twigs, and little birds. So once they make the nest, they'll lay a few eggs in it. Usually serve as a sweet dessert. Dessert, yes. And some people make it into a drink. So it's just with those bird's nest extracts and some water extract. So those gelatinous, slimy texture is actually cooked bird's nest.
The next bird's nest I will be tasting is with ginseng, which is sliced roots. They have a nice amber color, so let's give it a try. The texture is similar to when you eat a blueberry, I feel like. It kind of like bursts out with juice when you eat it. Now let's taste the bird's nest. This one's very similar to the other one, where it's sweet with sugar, but it has a more fruity component, almost like petit fleur or a passion fruit. That's what kind of aromas I'm getting from it. Very soft, very delicate, and the syrup goes down nicely, and then you kind of have the chewy gelatin pieces, which are the bird's nest.
Bird's nest is good for the lungs, and it's also good for the skin.
The next bird's nest I will be eating is with Japanese snow pear. It comes from Japan, and it's a lot crunchier and sweeter than most other pears. Let's give it a try. It does have a slight crunch to it in a way very similar to, kind of reminds me of like canned pear almost in that texture, but it does have a slight crunch to it. It's very sweet, yet also mild and soft in flavor. It doesn't have too strong of a pear flavor in the actual syrup, and the fact that if I didn't know I was eating a snow pear one, I'm not sure if I would taste it. But I think combined, when you eat the snow pear with the syrup and the bird's nest gelatin, it is a very nice combo. It kind of complements itself. You get the sweetness from the pear, the delicate texture from the syrup, and then kind of the gelatinous pieces after. What does it taste like to you?
It has a pungent, slimy texture. It's bland by itself, so we add in sugar or syrups into it.
Have you tried it raw?
It cannot be eaten raw.
No, like with no flavor,
just
like this. No, yeah.
Yes, I didn't like
it. The next bird's nest I'm going to try is bird's nest with coconut jelly. This one's the most gelatinous one. When I stuck my fork in there, it was kind of tough to get through to the bottom. It's very soupy. Almost looks like a jelly or a pudding. And then there's also pieces of coconut. Let's give it a try. This one does have the strongest taste. it kind of is a bit sour when you first take it, and then afterwards you get more of the coconut flavor as you keep chewing on it. The coconut pieces are good. It tastes, I think, pretty similar to coconut water, almost exactly. I would have to say this is my least favorite texture. I feel like I like the ones in syrup more.
Best to cook it fresh as a hot dessert, so straight from the pot and eat it right there.
Next, I'm gonna try the bottled drink bird's nest with winter melon. The bird's nest mixed in with it is still that very gelatinous kind of soft texture, and then the melon has more of a crunchy bite to it, which has a nice balance in the drink. It also kind of tastes like cereal milk. If you ever had it at Milk Bar in New York City, I'm kind of getting those flavors. And it does. It tastes like cereal milk like you find at Milk Bar. I think that's so funny.
It's actually quite popular in China.
Yeah.
So it's a Chinese delicacy and people have been eating it for a very, very long time. It has been eating it since the olden days, so all the way up to now.
And because I'm from the States, so I've never seen it. Why do you think it hasn't brought over to the West so popular?
It's mainly because of the taste, the texture, like it's really slimy and can be quite disgusting to eat for people who are not used to this.
I just finished trying the top 5 bird's nests. It's kind of like drinking a simple syrup. They're all pretty good, and you can tailor your taste to which you prefer, whether it's coconut, fruit, floral, they have it all. So if you're ever in Singapore or China, I definitely recommend trying out some bird's nest. And I would not be intimidated. It's very sweet. It's almost like drinking your dessert. So let me know in the comments below if you ever tried bird's nest and where you tried it. I'm Amanda Kate for Foodie Flair. See you next time.